forever, bro.
Forever, you the little guy. I'm the big dog. You the little guy forever.
You're not gonna win this one.
I got, hey, lang remayo nga, man. I got a lot of martialese people support me.
You got a lot of martialist people, but I got strong people over here, powerful, much money.
We got people a lot of money.
I got, rich people all over here.
I don't got rich people. I just got people who got work ethic, who work as a team. We're a team. We work together. We communicate well. So you just got powerful people. That's what's wrong with you people, man.
No, we are not
You got too
communicating.
much power. See, when you get too much power, it's bad.
One person is enough for your communication and everything in your team and like.
Yeah, my team got great communication. Look, I need an ice cream. They give me